Hello, today is Sunday, May 31st, 2026. Here is your daily signal. Ukraine's bold deployment of new mid-range strike drones is reshaping the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and according to Business Insider, their strikes on once safe Russian rear areas are causing both practical problems and psychological distress. Advanced drone warfare has rapidly escalated since 2022, with both Russia and Ukraine deploying next-generation surveillance and attack drones, fundamentally shifting the battlefield and disrupting traditional military logistics. Economic strains are mounting. On May 29, 2026, Fortune reported that Russia's GDP growth is forecasted to be just 0.4% this year, as mounting war costs and Ukraine's drone overmatch create a new combat phase, while Russia now sends up to 15 drones after just one Ukrainian soldier, reflecting the scale and intensity of drone deployment. In the near term, increased drone deployment is likely to accelerate military spending and further destabilize supply chains and logistics for both sides. Medium-term consequences include rising psychological fatigue and trauma among both military personnel and civilians as persistent drone threats erode morale, and Russia's economic capacity may become increasingly strained, with deeper budget deficits and slower recovery post-conflict. This escalating technology race may set new standards for drone warfare, influencing conflicts well beyond Ukraine. Investor sentiment is quickly shifting toward AI infrastructure, with Associated Press reporting that Integrated Cyber Solutions just launched a strategic claim in the emerging AI agent security sector. Investor focus has moved from traditional sectors to companies developing AI agents, semiconductors, and new materials. Startups and tech giants are launching new AI tools integrating software, hardware, and security features to attract strategic investment. News highlights include Integrated Cyber Solutions announcing its AI agent security initiative on May 29, 2026. Fortune revealed on the same day that Microsoft is building a super app integrating Copilot AI tools, led by Jacob Andrew, to streamline services amid competition from Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Business Insider noted Robinhood's stock soaring as the company launched AI agent features and rolled out Trump accounts, boosting trading volumes, and Orbital Industries secured $50 million in Series B funding for AI-based materials discovery, with Plural leading and data center cooling as its first product. In the near term, startups and tech companies directly involved in AI infrastructure will benefit from rapid capital inflows. Market volatility may rise as investor priorities realign with new AI-driven opportunities and away from traditional technology regions. In the medium term, increased competition will spur faster rollout of integrated AI toolkits by major firms, but a growing risk is that investment concentrates in select geographies and sectors, leaving other markets underfunded. Quantum computing advances are drawing headlines. A new scientist warns that the encryption protecting Bitcoin and even retirement savings could become useless if quantum computing reaches critical capability. Quantum bits enable computers to solve difficult mathematical problems much faster than classical machines, particularly threatening cryptographic protocols like RSA and ECC that underpin the security of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. On May 29, 2026, columnist Carmela Padavik-Kaladin wrote in New Scientist that even non-investors could be affected, as quantum progress brings uncertainty to the fate of encrypted assets. In the near term, financial markets may experience volatility as asset holders respond to news of quantum breakthroughs. In the medium term, financial and digital sectors are likely to transition to quantum-resistant cryptography, such as lattice-based algorithms, as regulators may mandate stronger encryption for digital assets and retirement funds. There is a risk that digital asset holders could face sudden losses if quantum attacks outpace cryptographic adaptation. Now, onto the markets. In international markets, Germany moved slightly lower as the EWG closed at 43.43, while Spain rose with EWP ending at 57.91. Italy showed similar upward momentum, finishing at 59.37. The Netherlands posted a robust monthly gain, with EWN up over 9% to 67.04. China large-cap stocks were up day over day but fell on the month, with FXI at 35.05, and Japan saw strength as EWJ closed at 92.96. Commodities saw gold advance, the GLD price up over 1% for the day, while U.S. oil declined with USO finishing at 129.09. Silver was nearly flat on the day, closing at 68.33. Among favorites, Adobe soared with a day-over-day gain of more than 7%, ending at $259.21. Oracle led all favorites with its price surging over 10% for the day, closing at $225.78. Microsoft also posted notable gains, finishing at $450.24. Nvidia declined slightly to $211.14. In the S&P 500 sector, the index rose with SPY closing at 756.48, while finance gained modestly as XLF ended at 51.58. Healthcare was down for the day, Roman 45 closing at 149.47, and semiconductors were flat with SOX finishing at 569.08. That's it for today. You can find more news and details on our website. Goodbye.